These are definitely the smartest life hacks I've ever seen. 1. If your baby's shoes aren't slip-resistant and they're falling over, just stick a few anti-collision pads on the bottom of the shoes. That way, your baby won't slip anymore. 2. If long socks don't look good, simply fold them down to cover your toes and heels. This way, your long socks turn into short socks. 3. Stick a sanitary pad to a bottle of alcohol, wrap it around the bottle, wet it with water, and chill it in the fridge for an hour. This will keep the bottle cold for a longer period. 4. Use a sausage to cleverly thread the shoelaces through one side of the shoe, then thread the other end inside. Finally, tie it with the sausage to make a unique shoelace design. 5. Use rubber bands to bind 4 spoons to a wooden stick, and you've got yourself a handy light bulb changer. This makes changing light bulbs easier and safer. 6. Wrap a rope around a nail, then thread the other end through the hook of the picture frame. Pull the rope tight, and the picture will be hung up easily. 7. If the zipper is broken, don't worry. Just wedge the zipper head onto a pair of scissors, then hook the 2 sides of the zipper into place. You'll easily fix it. 8. When pouring gasoline, cover the bottle opening with a plastic bag, push the bottle into the hole and remove the plastic bag. The gasoline will flow in perfectly. Have you learned these practical life hacks?